Glass floats were created and used hundreds of years ago by fishermen across the world. No longer used, they float around the ocean until one day they get washed up on a beach. After being in the ocean for so long, some people say these floats carry a small part of the ocean inside its beautiful form. That is going to be it for this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and please consider liking and subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching till the end, and have a great day.